Do you know how to increase the life of IC? Hi guys, in this video I want to tell you a solution to increase the lifespan of your TV's IC board. Stay with me and follow me.
One of the common causes of IC's burning is the lack of proper heat dissipation of the IC on the board. Look at this video and see how the temperature of the IC board of T-Con TV rises up to 65 degrees Celsius. This temperature may not be a problem for the IC, but pay attention to the fact that the TV is on for at least 3 to 4 hours every day, and imagine that the IC will always stay at this temperature, and permanent and excessive heat will cause burning or low performance of the part. Okay, what can we do now? For this purpose, I choose a suitable heatsink from the broken boards I had and separated it from the IC. And I stuck the heatsink on the chip using silicone glue and left it to dry. Just be careful and make sure that the excess silicone glue does not come out from around the IC, which will cause the work to be dirty, and consider this as a repair, as the cleanliness of the work is very important. After placing the heatsink on the chip, we can see that its temperature increases to a maximum of 50 degrees Celsius. That is about 15 degrees Celsius. We reduce the temperature on this IC by using a small heatsink. Good luck, and I would be happy if you subscribe to me.